Welcome. Today, we're diving into the essentials of Schedule C and Schedule C, two important forms that every self-employed individual should understand. Whether you're a freelancer, an independent contractor, or a small business owner, these forms are crucial for reporting your income and expenses accurately. Let's start with Schedule C, which stands for Profit or Loss from Business. This form is specifically designed for sole proprietors and single-member LLCs to report their business income and expenses. If you've earned income from a business you operate, you'll need to file this form. It's not just a formality. It plays a vital role in determining your net profit or loss. This net profit then flows into your Form 1040 and triggers your self-employment tax. Plus, Schedule C allows you to claim deductions that can significantly lower your taxable income. Here's a helpful tip from Mannoe. Keep detailed records of your receipts, mileage logs, and invoices. These documents will support every deduction you claim, making your filing process smoother and more accurate. Now, let's move on to Schedule C, which calculates the Social Security and Medicare taxes owed on your net business income. If you have $400 or more in net self-employment income, this form is for you. It includes sole proprietors, freelancers, gig workers, and single-member LLC. So, how does it work? First, take the net profit from Schedule C, specifically line 31, then multiply that number by 92.35% to determine your net earnings. After that, you'll apply the 15.3% self-employment tax rate. Don't forget, you can report half of this self-employment tax as a deduction on your Form 1040, Schedule 1. Another valuable tip from Mannoe: if you anticipate owing more than $1,000 in taxes, consider making quarterly estimated payments. This proactive approach can help you avoid penalties down the line. Understanding these forms is essential for your business. It helps you stay compliant with IRS rules, maximize your deductions, and ultimately reduce your tax liability. More importantly, it empowers you to build financial confidence and clarity as you grow your business. At Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services, we're here to simplify the complex, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and empowering your community. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider following us for more insights. You can also call us at 305-469-1209 or visit our website at mannoetax.com. We're here to help you every step of the way.